Hey, it's me, Delonda, and I'm in my craft room. I wanted to give you a wash update as promised. Now, I don't know if you remember, but the other day I made this shirt using the Siser Easycolor Dtv. I made it at the same time that I put the Siser Easycolor Dtv on this bag, and I promised that I would do a wash update. I have washed this shirt one time, and I washed it in warm water. I washed it with only one detergent pod, and I dried it just on my regular dryer temperature. I didn't do anything special. I did not use any fabric softener or anything else. Okay, so when you watch the quick video, and I think the video may be less than 3 minutes, you will see my full process for washing the shirt, turning it inside out, washing it on warm water, one pod, putting it in the dryer and taking it out of the dryer. Now you will notice these little dots on the shirt. These were on there from when I think this is from when I used that mesh vinyl. I think that's what these dots are from. But at any rate, that's neither here nor there. It has nothing to do with the color. Pay attention to the color. Okay, so without further ado, let me show you the wash update of the Siser Easycolor Dtv, and I hope this helps. This is a 100% cotton shirt that I used in my tutorial when I used the Siser Easycolor Dtv. And I am getting ready to wash this for the first time. I made this shirt about 5 days ago. I am going to turn the shirt inside out. I'm not going to put anything else in the washing machine with it. Okay, so the shirt is finished. Let's see what we're working with. Let's see what we're working with. It looks really good. Let's see. Trying to turn it. Ooh, it looks good. It looks really good. Let me finish turning it inside out. Okay, so the shirt is still wet. I've only taken it out of the washing machine. So these little spots or dots or whatever these are called, these happened when I pressed it with the parchment paper. But I think this looks really good. Now to see how it does in the dryer, I will come back and let you know. I do have it turned inside out again. I'm going to put it in the dryer with no dryer sheet or nothing else, just in the dryer. This is how it looks, and I think it did well in the wash. Now, I still don't know what these dots are, but these were already on there when I pressed it the first time, even in the video. But I think the wash update revealed that the color stayed nicely. I did wash it on warm. And even though the recommendation is to wash it in cold, I turned the shirt inside out and I washed it on warm, and I only used one detergent pod. Okay, I hope this helps.